So these are all 3 feet, 3 feet, 3 feet, 3 feet, 3 feet. There's 5 on this side, and there's also what? 5 on the other side. Now this one is 3 feet, this one's 3 feet.
So what I actually did is I built, it's really complicated, I put a clamp here that is, all we have to do is push it down, touch the clamp, and now it's already at the 3 foot mark. It's actually a little bit less than 3 feet. Because what you don't think is that this is 12 feet long, right? 12 feet long, we need 3 foot pieces. How many pieces should we get? 4. In an ideal world that would work. 3 There we go. Ready? When you slide down, don't smash it in here, okay? Nice and easy. Slide down, bring it down. Yeah. There we go. So, hold the handle. Yeah. And room right. Well, if you need to slide over on this side, on there, it might get easier. You're gonna help me slide it out. I'll do it. Let's do it. And then what you go on the other end? Do another one. There you go, you got it. Grab it. No. Yep, over there. Now, the top one has to go flush here.
Or 3 feet.
Oh, just under 3 feet. It's shorter. It's 36 and 3/4.
91 centimeters.
Oh, so it's 35 and 3/4.
So that's 91 centimeters by 91.
I already have an answer on that.
Okay, so if it's...
Oh, yeah, I thought about doing it. Yeah.
Can we just round it up?
Yeah. So just make it that side. Okay, one.
These guys are the future guards.
There's one.
I can't
Now
do
come
that.
do the next one. Hold that one
I'm
still.
just here to make sure that I'm
And
comfortable.
get that one lined up now.
They'll make me proud.
Does that look right?
I'm proud of them. We've been waiting for the
1 3/4 there. Let's do the next one. I'm gonna help you build this side.
Okay,
I'm not helping you build the other side. You gotta build the exact same thing.
That's crazy. Crazy, bro.
Keep trying.
You can go through the back side. The back
Brad,
side.
I'm not.
Thank you.
The other side is lined up. You can go down too.
Make sure you're not gonna sink it in the table.
Drill in.
Oh, this side?
If this side's good here, let's just work it like on this one.
There you go.
Just make this.
Boom. Beautiful.
Knee one.
I'm gonna do it.
Knee one. Okay. Can you for me? Yeah, sure, I can hold it. I'm gonna bring my gimbal in.
Come on, table. Get up on the table. Get up on the table. It's gonna hold you. Keep the drill bit down.
No. That's a good thing.
Maybe.
Knee one.
Me one.
Hold on, stop. Then move. Back it up.
Okay.
Reverse.
Good. Nice.
Reverse.
I'll send it to you.
Thank you, bro.
Yeah.
You got it.
I need more projects like this. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
No, wait. Oh, you're probably right.
Yeah.
Don't fold this thing up, please. Here. One, two,
You can't do this.
Fourth floor, security, please report to the 4th floor.
All right, now look that bubble. Is the bubble in the middle?
yes.
All right, then you're good now. 4 corners, put it in the middle.
I need 2 more.
Country road.
What? I need a phone. You
No.
don't document the person you
can-
failed.
You work with you. Interesting.
You never document the failure part. Yeah, look at that. There's the problem. Ready? Cut.
Up. There. Okay, right here.
Yeah.
Just get a handful of screws. You want these screws? You have to think about it? Nice. Okay. So this one here is not staying.
Okay, nice.
So we put one on top,
This
one
is
on the bottom.
easy.
Okay?
Basta ba yung proud of you?
Man, thanks, man. Just, that's all I ever wanted.
So. So put one on top, one on the bottom, and then we just fill it up. Just put one here.
I'm gonna get this down.
Here, ready? Good. Now I want two in each level, okay? Two.
Nice. Yeah. Heck yeah.
Man, I can find things.
Yeah, sure. Dang. That's crazy. Alright, you want me to take a picture?
Oh, yeah.
With your phone?